Are you having trouble putting your ghost bed frame together? I was just putting this frame together and I'm like, this is a little confusing. I watched a video, there's instructions. I also watched a video. It didn't show everything. So I thought I'm gonna make a video that'll help viewers figure this out a lot quicker. And so they don't have to keep taking things apart and putting it back together. It's not that hard. It's just that this will make the whole process of putting this ghost bed frame together a lot quicker and simpler for you. So I have the ghost bed frame together, but I'll show you really quick. If I was to take one of these cross slats out, you'll see holes here in the frame, on the side frame. So in the instructions, it doesn't really show where this frame goes. Does it go in the middle? Does it go on the sides? You definitely want the frame rails with the holes, the square slots on the sides, not in the middle. And this here is a full double bed. So all full double beds and higher will come with these blue plastic pieces here that just simply snap into a hole here on the middle frame like that. So you need that middle frame with these holes. Hopefully you can see that there for these plastic pieces. Side rails with the holes on this side or on the sides so that you can slide these slats, I'll call them, I forget what they're called, in there like this. And then these go into the plastic piece here like this. So that makes it easy. Again, side rails with the holes on the sides. No holes on the side in the middle rail. You want to have just a solid rail with, and I'm not sure about the twin beds, but full double beds and higher will have the hole in the middle so you can put these blue plastic pieces in here so that your slats fit in there properly. Next, you want to make sure that you have the side rail, like this is all one piece right here. So you'll see the frame that has the two holes here that are threaded, and down here there's a threaded hole as well. I'll show you really quick, and over on this side as well. So you want these rails here with the holes, the threaded holes, as your headboard, because they don't really tell you in the video about these. This is where this bracket is going to go for your headboard. So you're going to put your bracket like this, and you're going to put the bolts in here, and then your headboard can fit in any of these multiple slots. It's like a universal bracket, but these will go in here something like this. I haven't put it together yet. I'm not sure which bolts. Yeah, it'd be all one size bolts, and they'll just go in there like this. And I think there's 3 bolts for each side, each bracket. And then you'll just continue on to tighten these. The next part is when you go to put the fabric over your ghost bed frame. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you'll see that there is holes cut out here and it has like a framework on it. That's gonna go over there at the headboard for your bracket. So when you get your headboard, you can bolt into the bracket and the hole is already there in place for you, and it makes it simple. So there's what it looks like after you have the headboard bracket on, and your cover, your fabric cover, is over this edge of the brackets. Looks good, it's pretty sleek. And the ghost bed frame is together now. It's really strong, really solid. All we're waiting for now is our mattress to show up and lay it on top and have a decent bed. It's not that hard to put together. It's just in the video and the instructions, they just don't point out those simple little steps or things that I showed you. And I just wanted to make a video to make it simpler for you. Again, you don't need any tools. The bolts come with an Allen key, so there is no tools required. If you're looking at the ghost bed frames or mattresses, please use my link down below in the description of this video. I'd appreciate it very much. Just click on the link, go to their website, and check out what they have. If this video helped you, hit subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate that as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.